Let's get it going. Show you guys where I'm located out here. I forgot the name of this building. I only been here once. It was a year ago. Big, beautiful engine. Look at that. A lot of horsepower right there. Yeah, I like that. I just hope I can do the whole show because my head is hurting. I can't focus. Now my head, it hurts right here. Yeah, I can point to where it hurts, right there. It hurts, man. I don't know what I did, but I woke up and it was hurting right there.
Probably your sinuses, sinus headache. But usually caffeine, if you drink caffeine, it helps.
Yeah. This yours? Who's this? Huh? This is beautiful, man. I love it. It's nice.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Restored it. We drove it through all the states except Hawaii and Alaska and all up into Canada. Mm-hmm. My husband drove it to work. Mm-hmm. And we put, what, 170.
Can I put you on my video?
Huh?
Can I put you on my video?
You probably wouldn't want me on your video.
No, just tell us a story about your car.
I don't know where to start. We stripped it all the way down and restored it from frame up. And we've traveled all over the United States, up into Canada, put 174,000 miles on it since it's been painted.
Yes, ma'am.
And we've done lots of car shows and lots of driving. My husband, the last few years he worked, he drove it to work every day.
Right. Yeah, that's beautiful. You got a name for it?
I guess Royce 57.
Yeah, let me right there. There you go. Put it on there. This is my YouTube channel right here. If you want to see it, Uncle Mike 392. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. 392. Let me walk around and film it. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
That's been a big part of our family for a lot of years.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you should have told them about the girls when they drive.
'57. Right. Ooh, this thing is beautiful. See that mirror image? You can see the engine through the mirrors right there. That's nice. Trans Am, man. What's going on, brother? How you doing, man?
Hey, man. How you
Good to see you, brother. Yes, sir. I see you about the Mini now.
Yeah, I haven't been at a car show in a few
Yeah, I ain't seen you in a while, man.
Last time Ben was the one at Hayford Park.
Okay, okay.
But somebody else videotaped that.
Yeah,
I got it on video.
yeah.
But
I like that purple one down there. That purple's nice.
I just put mine in Survivor. I don't think I can trucks.
Mm-hmm.
So it's all original trucks. Spider, we just do it that way.
Gotcha.
But you've been doing right? Been a lot of the car shows still?
Yeah, I've been doing a lot. I went yesterday with Santa Fe. Yeah, they yesterday.
Yeah, I just said my wife yesterday, but I try to get it once a week. First car show. Last car show I've been was at Hayward Park.
Gotcha. Let me get you on my. I appreciate seeing you, brother. Take care, man. All right. Yes, sir.
Well, he said they started warning that if you don't get it. Last year, the one that was registered, I took second at it, and the car that won it.
Thumbnail. I'm gonna get all these guys. As I get closer to this building on the other side, I have to put music with it, man, because the music over there. I'm pretty okay now because you can barely hear it because I'm on the side, but once I get on the other side, you can probably hear it. I'm gonna have to put some music with it. I don't want to, but I ain't got no choice. I don't want to get no copyright strike on my channel. What year is this?
1932.
32? Oh, it's right there. Let me.
Get inside.
Let me get back.
He's got a car for it. Yeah. 4 or 5. Yeah. I haven't been to Coffee Court, but I've gone up there. They did a Nova cruising thing here a while back, and I live out in Yukon, so I'm up in Tuttle all the time.
Good morning, gentlemen. How y'all doing?
Fine, you, sir?
Doing fine, thank you. Just filming you guys' car, put on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, well, I was just fixing to ask, what's your YouTube channel? Oh, Uncle Mike, okay.
392.
Gotcha.
Don't forget the 392, you ain't gonna find me, because there's a lot of Uncle Mikes on YouTube.
Okay.
Whose is this?
Yes.
Something special.
I like your shirt.
Really, that's beautiful. Jesus Christ. Is this the original color?
No, it took me 17 rattle cans to think that thing.
Come on.
What you all that?
How many of them? 17? Is that it? I thought at least 20. Oh, this is beautiful, man.
It laid down good.
Mm-hmm.
It laid down good.
Outlaw. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you this
Doing
morning?
fine, thank you, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Especially getting that candy color.
Keep them inside. That's not yeah, oh yeah.
I gotta write that down.
What's that? Uncle Mike 392. I appreciate it, guys.
Yes, sir.
Whose is this?
Mine.
That's nice, man. This for sale?
Yeah.
I'm thinking I can get it. I got 1,500 subscribers. Maybe somebody will see, somebody will see it.
That'll work.
Your number is 405-201-6549.
Yes, sir.
So if I can see it, they can see it. So make sure we're on the same page.
Hey there, you old fart.
Uh-oh. They call him an old fart.
Well, right.
Brutal, huh?
They call me fat fart.
Oh. Which one is yours?
This one.
Who's that other one over there?
You got around right.
I've seen this one before at Coffee and Cars. Have you been to Coffee and Cars? You been to Choctaw?
One time. No,
You been
no.
to Choctaw? Have you been? Did you go to Santa Fe Cattle Company on 29th yesterday? I've seen this before.
I just got it going not too long ago.
Oh, okay.
Maybe they're going out there running around.
Yeah, because it looks well. The other one way had a hood on it.
Okay.
It looks like it, but it only had a hood.
We got another bag out there.
Yeah.
Hey, I thought I was on the wall.
Because I got 1,000 videos on my channel. I seen this before.
Okay.
But I remember the one that I seen that it did have a hood on it.
Yeah. This is going to have a hood when I get it. It's a work in progress. I just got it going.
Understood. Yes, sir.
Right. Still got a lot to do. I've done a lot just to get it this far.
Mm-hmm. What size engine you got in here?
1957 283.
283? Okay.
I think it may be a Corvette 283.
Yeah.
The numbers narrow down to either a sedan or a Corvette. There's original 4-barrel motor.
Mm-hmm. Excuse me, sir.
Should scoot pretty good for the lightweight car, you know.
Yeah. How'd it sound? Sound good?
Yeah, it's got the old cherry bombs.
Can I hear it? We put it on, get that sound on here.
Pretty old school.
Yeah. I'm gonna get you a sound on here.
Yeah.
There you go. Ooh, that came on quick.
Old school, man.
I love that. Thank you, brother.
I didn't build it to be fast.
Michael Williams.
I didn't build it to be fast.
Yeah.
You know, something to have fun with.
Yes, sir.
So you know old run.
This is a big guy.
There's the guy. Hey, there's the guy right there. This car.
Oh, this is right here? Okay.
I told the wife, I said, that car was on the back. That's a nice car.
Beautiful. Good morning, sir. How you doing? Fine, and yourself? Great. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up on this one and start another one, my part 2. I'll see you guys on the other side later.